Sorkar TV. Kabul, ka machine ka bala snacker pang ka ba kamskem, kamstet, kamklan, bat baduna bam umpnya.
Ka Kunun Menteri Sorkar kala menjur ban penrekam no ya ka Meghalaya Village Defence Organisation Rule 2025 ki baki kendon trekam nakabenta ki Village Defence Party lani ki VDP ki badan hamalak Shnong. Unang acting ka Sorkar uba waila mikishela ulaitu ba ka Sorkar kala rairu ban penki no ya ka jerap sa ki VDP ya ka babaro sikata ki aitang laispa tingka sibanai hanrei menta on penki no sya ka lai hajar tingka sibanai. Uba wailat ulaong ba ka Sorkar ka sothu ya ka jingkya ka kam ki VDP kamtam ha ka por ba kanrei ba ka kam khai drok ba lingba ki kendon trekam ki bathamai ulaong ba ka Sorkar ka khami lenti ba ki Shnong Bapher in thau no ya ki VDP ha ki Shnong jongki nalor kani ka jiaram uba wailat ula pentepru ba ka Sorkar kalarai ban ai ya ki VDP da ki uniform ki walkie talkie ki ID ki babiang bat ya kani ka rai on pentrekam notion.
So the first agenda is the introduction and implementation of outcome-based budgeting method for utilizing state fund from the health budget. The second agenda we took today is regularization of special educator and similar professional as mandated in the Honorable Supreme Court of India Order File Number EDN.170/2023. The next agenda is rationalization of government or SSA school. The next agenda is Meghalaya Village Defence Organisation Rule 2025 and to revise the out-of-pocket money of VDPs as per file number HPL.238/2025. The next agenda is the amendment to Schedule 11 to the Meghalaya Legal Metrology Enforcement Rule 2011. Next is publication of the draft code on wages Meghalaya Rule 2024. Second, the draft Meghalaya Occupation Safety, Health and Working Condition Rule 2024. Third is the draft code on Industrial Relation Meghalaya Rule 2024 and the draft code on Social Security Meghalaya Rule 2024. Next is the schedule for the preparation of roll for the conduct of the election for the Garo Hills Autonomous District Councils. So these are the agenda taken in today's cabinet. No, we already just today we passed this Meghalaya Village Defence Organisation Rule 2025 where we already specify the role of the chiefs since from the state, district up to different levels. So definitely we'll be sharing with you the whole details of the rule. So but definitely there are we have increased the out of pocket from we usually 300 now is going to be 3,000. Which we really hope that it will really encourage the people, with our VDPs. So definitely we want to see that our VDP active, especially and in today's time, as you know that we are facing the challenges of crime and drugs and even in border areas. So that's why we hope that with these new rules, then I think we will really be able to encourage our villages to form the village defense party, permanent party. We cannot say weapon, but in the rule also itself it has mentioned that we will try to modernize thing. We will try to help them with some kind of uniform, some kind of walkie-talkie, and some with the proper with this IDs and all. So definitely that is on mind, but we cannot say weapon. But definitely we are on that line. It is. I think it's approved by the cabinet today. So I think very soon it will be implemented. No, the SSA, as you all recently, the teachers have met our Honorable Chief Minister and the Education Minister. They have agreed to have a new pay structure. So they have already agreed on that, and also at the same time they have agreed for the rationalization. So today we from the government, so we have approved that to start the rationalization process. No, as of now, because the department is still working on that, I cannot give you the exact figure right now. Actually, we are just actually the order from the Honorable Supreme Court, because there was a case. It seems that because we need to have a special educator. So for that we are just because right now we have 283 numbers of posts. So in this post they are working as at least contractual, and there are also to be recruited. So we are just regularizing to we approved from the cabinet for regularization of this post.
Pin real spark, ya các tiên là dòng pin đâm cam, ya cả ba căn kiêu các tiên khá si, các tiên là dòng ai cần rồi cần pa, các căn tiên risau, các đây bát cả mút ya upanai ba shipho dòng cả snem, ha uni upanai, kala đây ru ka portion rai, ha ka ba kisla ding slasi, kikup ya karong risau. Kani ka kentin risau, kamut ru ya ka metba jong ukhnam. Tuda ya kan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi ta ka pati CTV, naga menta ka jingmentoi upat ba.